Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. It's a Friday night. I'm hungry. Where do you think I'm going? Same place that guy's going. Watch. Yeah, same place that guy's going. Oh no, he's going to Little Caesars. Excuse me, I'm going over here. It's dark, isn't it? I'm not promoting anything, I'm not recommending anything. I'm headed to Chick-fil-A. I'm hungry for a Chick-fil-A. Now, the lights are on, are they going to back up? It doesn't look like it's too crowded right now. It's about 8:15 p.m. About. Gotta watch for people walking around. Like this one right here. I'm glad you're not in black. You got black pants, but you got a red top. Thank you. Alright, now I'm going to try the outside lane. Because that's an open slot. Let's see how it goes. It got up to about 80, almost 80 degrees today. Really nice. And among other things, I did some yard work. Without my cane, managed to do it. And I played Rockwell and met some people from Alamance County. And we had a little bit of discussion about the Haw River and north of Pittsburgh, up near Snow Camp and stuff like that. It was really nice talking with them about Providence Sunday. I'm going to get my usual #1 deluxe meal, Colby Jack cheese. I remember it this time, I won't have to ask. Let's see if this is easy in and easy out. So far it's easy. I'm hungry. Last week was in the 80s. This week it's more like springtime. Gotta say it. Now I'm hoping this one in front of me doesn't put a monster order in. Because those two that just moved didn't take too long. Now let me get my wallet out. Still have a green light in this lane, right? Get my card out. Uh-oh. Come on, finish your order. I got my window down. Oh, please finish your order. Please don't make it a super big order. There it is. Now I'm moving. The name is Steve, please. I'd like a #1 deluxe meal with Colby Jack. And could I please have a Coke Zero with no ice? I don't need any sauces or anything else.
That'll be $9.90 for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
See how easy that was? #1 deluxe sandwich meal. Colby Jack, I remembered the cheese this time. And Coke Zero with no ice. And we're moving right along. These people are really good at this. Now we'll see what kind of name she heard. Sometimes they get Steve and sometimes they hear something else. At least the temperature's nice. Alright. So I'm going to hand him a card. This one has $1 million limit. Is that enough? At least the weather's nice. Oh, that must be why I came out. All right, thank you very much. There we go. Now, I think I beat the big crowd and rush because there are no cars parked right in front of me. And a lot of times when I come in, it's absolutely jammed completely, which is why the businesses that I came by, like the Caesars and so on, they have a sign over there that says, parking for us, not parking for I just had to come out. I just had to come out. Now we're going to find out if the people in front of me had big orders or if they had orders like mine. Can you see the gas price yet? That station up there is $3.89 a gallon and $5.77 for diesel. I was noticing on YouTube, which is where I get my news, that in Ireland, in Erie, they're having a crisis because everybody that owns some kind of commercial truck, van, whatever, they're road blocking everywhere because of the price of the fuel. And I've noticed there are a couple of states in the United States that have temporarily discontinued their state sales tax on fuel. They haven't done that in North Carolina yet. Now, for sure you can see it. And that's about a little more expensive than if you got the gas closer to where I live. I paid about $0.10 a gallon less. Okay, see, that was a quick order right there. I love the people. Come on, pull away. There we go. I love them. Notice there's nobody standing out here, nobody standing out taking the orders. Steve? Oh, it's ready. Yeah. And thank you very much. I appreciate it. There you go. Quick delivery. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put the bag there. Now there's somebody behind me. I'm gonna turn on my right blinker to indicate to them that I'm not in line for going around again. I'm being careful, and for the amount of traffic that's coming, I'm okay. That person is pulling out, and it looks like it's safe to go. Good, and I got a green arrow. Hey, oh. Here we go. Yes, I'm headed home. Now, hang on. I don't see anybody begging for money right there. But maybe it's because it's after dark. Let me get the window up. Oh, the waffle. Oh, the waffle fry is delicious and it's hot. Oh. I love it. I had my first waffle pie. You know that's why I come here. All right. I bored you long enough. I'm going to munch on the fries as I drive home and sip on the Coke Zero if I can find it and drive at the same time. See, baby, 4L. Out on his Friday night escapade. Easy in, easy out. It was easy in, easy out. saying see you in 73.